Good morning. This is Megan Renahan with the Pioneer Update, sponsored by Citizens Bank, a bank built for you. This morning, I have Miss Sonia Gaither. She is the principal at West Elementary. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Megan, for having me.
Absolutely. So I know you've got quite a bit slated on the agenda today. Let's dive straight in. What's the first topic?
All right. We're going to talk about our after-school clubs that we have kicked off already this year. We have some of our old clubs that the kids love, like Twirling and Lego Robotics and K-Kids. But we have a new club this year.
Tell us about it.
We were one of 5 elementary schools to receive a farm-to-school grant here in Arkansas. And we are partnering with the Independence County Master Gardeners to have a Junior Master Gardeners Club on Tuesdays for 3rd graders.
So that is just so great. I love it whenever kids have the opportunity to get their hand dirty. It's so enriching, and I love that we're also partnering with a local entity.
Yes, it's exciting. I mean, they're going to learn about how to grow a worm farm and composting, not just planting things, but it's exciting. And we have some former Batesville school teachers that are a part of Independence County Master Gardeners that are going to be leading this, and that's really wonderful to have them on board.
I love that. That's so awesome. And then what else do we have going on?
Oh my goodness, we just finished our new piece of playground equipment, and the boys and girls are going to be able to get on the playground this Friday. We are super excited about that. We spent all last year raising money. We're so thankful to our parents and our students for working on fundraisers and setting goals to get this finished. But most importantly, we want to thank our community helpers. We have so many businesses in Batesville that have been supportive of West, and we are so appreciative. And I'd just like to mention a few of them, if that's okay.
Lay it on us, Miss Sonia.
All right. We want to thank First Community Bank, Future Fuel, Citizens Bank, White River Health Systems, LaCroix Optical, FNBC, Bad Boy Moores, Frank Rogers and Company, Life Plus, and the UPS store. They have been great partners for West Elementary.
Man, and that's what makes Pioneer Nation so special. I love that we got our parents and students involved, because whenever you're able to participate in a fundraiser like that, it makes you so much more invested in your school, and those kids have pride in what they got to be a part of.
Yes, they've been sitting out watching the crew putting it together, just anxiously awaiting for it to be finished. And we will allow the kids to be out there this Friday. We're looking forward to it.
Man, they're going to be counting down the days.
Yes.
I love that. And a huge shout out to our community sponsors. That's incredible. We're so thankful for them. Time and time again, they step up and rise to the occasion to support our students.
Yes, Batesville is a great community to live in.
Absolutely. Well, Miss Sonia, thank you so much for being a part of the Pioneer Update today. The Pioneer Update is sponsored by Citizens Bank. It's a great day to be a pioneer.